Let me guess. You want to know more about the Honda CR-V? That's good, because I'm here to tell you about it. But first, let's lose the formalities. The CR-V looks sharp from any angle and has the smarts to back it up. Like available LED headlights for extra visibility and elegance. The CR-V also comes standard with a turbocharged engine and is available with all-wheel drive. To help save gas, the CR-V is equipped with idle stop, which shuts off the engine when stationary for more than 2 seconds. And the Econ button, which can help you drive more efficiently. As sleek as the CR-V is on the outside, it's just as refined on the inside. You've got plenty of space and plenty of available amenities, like leather trimmed seats, heated leather trimmed front seats, a heated leather wrapped steering wheel, a power adjustable driver's seat that stores 2 seating positions, and dual zone climate control, so everyone can enjoy the perfect temperature. And with an available premium audio system, you can be the DJ of your driving experience! With the CR-V, charging your compatible phone is easier than ever. Just set it down on the available wireless phone charger. Told you it was easy. The CR-V also has an available 7-inch display audio touchscreen to help you access navigation, music, and messages. That includes accessing the apps on your iPhone or compatible Android phone. To top it all off, every CR-V has a multi-angle rear view camera. Be right back. The CR-V is available with a height-adjustable, hands-free access power tailgate. You also get plenty of cargo space. Fold down the 60/40 split rear seat back, and you go from spacious to even more space. You can also gear up with Honda genuine accessories to help make the most out of every adventure. The CR-V can also help sense things above you and things you might miss while driving, thanks to Honda Sensing, a suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies that's standard on every CR-V. It includes the collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, lane keeping assist system, and adaptive cruise control with low speed follow. The CR-V is also equipped with the blind spot information system and cross-traffic monitor, which help you when you're changing lanes or backing up. Speaking of safety features, the CR-V is engineered with Honda's ACE body structure, which absorbs and deflects energy from a frontal collision. And that's what you should know about the Honda CR-V. Head on over to your nearest Honda dealer now and take it for a spin.